Oh. Good morning. I got up this morning and realized Royce wasn't laying in her bed. I'm like, where the hell is this girl? And she's already in the room. That girl got up this morning on her own. She picked out her clothes from last night. She got dressed today fully from head to toe. Normally I have to help her, but I don't know if she just be lazy, like she wants me to help her. Because I know she could get herself dressed on her own, but today she got up and she got dressed with no help. Shoes all the way to the top. I'm proud of her for that. And I'm happy that I was just able to lay in my bed while she got herself together. And Zion, you know, he gets up on his own. Every now and then he needs me or Greg to go walk in there and wake him up. But this morning, and as far as like what she's been eating because of her stomach virus, she's still going to the bathroom, but it's not like how it was, like the texture, I'm gonna say. It's not like how it was, but she is still going to the bathroom, and I notice a change in how she eats. She's not eating as much as she normally would, and I don't know if that's because of her fear of just like she don't want to have the runs, but she's not finishing like all of her food. She's eating like a little bit. And this morning for lunch, she just wants to take a grilled cheese and some cut up apples. So that's what she's gonna have for lunch. So remember the writing to Santa cards that we did? We're going to give 2 of the cards to a friend of hers in school, and we're gonna give 1 to my niece, because my niece and her go to the same school. So I thought that was really nice of her to wanna share those out. And now we have extras. And I can think of people to give it to. But there's a girl that lives in my building who has little daughters. I think I'm going to give 2 to her. I can't think of anybody else. I was trying to think. Let me tell you something. I'm a Libra and we be in our head, okay? So now we're getting ready to go to the store so she could get her grilled cheese and get her cut up apples so we could get on the bus by 8:07. I am ready for it to freaking get cold. Like, this humid it's gonna be 80 today. I know I have on a sweater, but it also said right now it's 65, so this is fine. But like, come on, I'm ready for it to be like 65 and under. Like, I'm over the 75, 80. You could have that. Give me 65 and under. Give me 60, give me 55, even give me 45. Like, I want it to be cooler. I like it to be cooler. And also, I have to go to Sephora because I need to find my match. I have makeup, but my foundation is not my color. And I don't know if it seems like I have one that's too light and I have one that's too dark. So I don't know. And before, they both used to be my color, no lie. But I know as it gets colder, my color does get lighter, but my complexion, I should say, I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. And I also ordered my wig yesterday, so we'll see how that goes. I can't wait. I can't wait. Let me get this girl out the house.
6 hours later.
Miss Royalty is home from school now. I know y'all probably like, what the hell happened in between, right? So after I dropped Royalty off, I met a new girl. Her son also goes to Royalty school. and me and her were walking and talking for a little while. Let me tell y'all something. I am so like, I feel I'm socially awkward. Probably I don't come off like that to people because I don't really involve myself with people too much. I keep it very short and quick and hey, how you doing? And you know, kind of keep it moving. But I was already familiar with her from my daughter's old school. But we had never really spoken the way we spoken today. And she's a really nice girl. She's nice, she's sweet. And I just be scared of people. Your girl be scared of people. Not like scared like beat me up. I'm scared. I am just like scared to open up myself, even though I ask her all the time, you know, to send me new friends and send new people in my life that are like-minded. That's the best way to say it. Oh, I found one. Royalty is eating some food she got from
Panda Express.
Panda Express. She was really nice. It doesn't really take me long to get a feel of people and, you know, who they are. And we were talking and connecting, and, you know, I'm not really too much of an open book, even though you would think so because I am on YouTube. But I'm not as much as an open book as people probably would like to think. I kind of go in listening, at least now, because before I just jump in, oh, we besties. But it's kind of different now. I'm older, I'm grown. You know, I feel like I have to deal with friendships the same way I deal if I'm in a relationship with a guy. Yes, I am married. But, you know, I kind of deal with it the same. Like, I gotta fill you out. Maybe you're not the right person to be a part of my life. I don't know. Maybe I'm not the right person to be a part of your life. So I just, you know, I take everything with a grain of salt. But it was nice having a conversation with another adult, another woman. And, yeah, so I enjoyed that little time we had. It was 2 hours, no lie. It was 2 hours we were talking standing. And to myself, I was like, oh God, I hope I'm not having a face, or I hope I'm not looking stupid, because I'm telling you, it's been so long since I've had a deep conversation with another human, like for the first time, that I'm like, oh God, I hope I'm not looking retarded in the face. I hope I'm not looking dumbfounded. But it was cool being able to have that interaction. And I need more of that. Other than that, after that, I came home. I made my coffee, had me something to drink, started cleaning my son's room. And yeah, he has some laundry to do. Some Panda Express. I'm not cooking. That is going to be her dinner. Right, boo-boo?
For today?
Yes. She got orange chicken with...
Want some? Yeah.
With orange chicken with vegetable fried rice.
Let me get those.
So that's gonna be it. I made some mac and cheese yesterday. I probably eat that with maybe a few pieces of her chicken. I don't know if she's willing to share with her mother. I got Zion some french fries, a large french fry from the bodega. And yeah, other than that, I'm not cooking. That's it for me. Back to juicing. Your girl I gotta do something. I did it before when I was going to Jamaica, and it worked.
Hello.
I was slim and trim.
Hello.
Hi, Zion. Hi, Papa.
Hi. Welcome to my YouTube
What are you
channel.
doing? Playing video
I'm planning on
games.
making one once I hit 18.
You can. Oh, okay. So you gonna wait till next year to make one?
Yeah. People so much. Hi, everybody.
How was school?
School
Hi,
was great.
Sigma,
It was okay.
guys.
It was annoying. Those kids were so, they were yelling. They were cursing. All that crap.
The kids?
I told one of them, shut up.
Zion, you think that's nice?
They were being disrespectful to the teacher.
Okay,
They
Zion.
said something hurtful about their families. How would you think if someone said something bad about your family?
Well, people have a mouth, which means they can say
Now
whatever
go
they
check
want
their
to say.
mouth out.
It's how you respond.
I was just defending them.
Yeah, but you don't always have to defend. That's nice. Your heart is in a good place to want to defend somebody. But if it doesn't have nothing to do, if it doesn't have anything to do with you, then you just mind your business. I know it's hard because if somebody's being disrespected that you care about, then you want to defend them. So I understand. After you told them to shut up, what they said?
They didn't say nothing. They were quiet. But they said, shut up too to me. So I was quiet.
Like a baby.
So y'all both in there. Shut up.
No.
Shut up. And then everybody stays shut up.
No. That's not okay.
What was I saying? Oh yeah, the juicing. I am getting back into it. Tomorrow is day 1. Tomorrow's day 1.
Hey, Mom, I could have just put my...
I can have like protein. I can have chicken, fish,
Mom.
beef.
Mom.
I gotta have salads. I gotta have greens. I gotta have veggies. When I went to Jamaica, we did it for the whole month of November up until I was leaving in December, which was December 17th. So a little bit is over here. Go around. So a little bit over a month I did it for. And when I got to Jamaica, I wanted everything. I was eating everything. But when I came back in January of this year, I blew right up because from day 1, my father-in-law had everything on the table you could think of. Every Jamaican island dish you could.
Nature's my passion.
You like nature? That's good. Every Jamaican island food you can think of was on my table when we stepped foot in here. So it was like a welcome back dinner, and it was for the New Year's, and I was so. It was so good. And I just, from there, I just went, ooh, that's how I got big. So now, y'all can see me now, how I look. Let me see if I cut this like.
Chunky like chunk.
See how I look? See this? It's this. It's just this.
No, you look fine, Mommy. Oh, don't worry about that.
So.
I want you to say a dumpling.
Yep, so I gotta,
What about me?
So yeah, so I gotta get back into it. And I'm gonna do it. Because I've done it before.